Hey guys, what's up? It's kind of late, so I got the light on. Today I'm going to talk about why you should always look at Keepa.com before purchasing anything to resell on Amazon. And what Keepa does is it tells you when an Amazon sales rank dropped. So every time there's a sale on Amazon for a product, the sales rank is going to drop, which will give you an indication that there was a sale that took place. So Keepa has all the graphs for the certain items, and whenever the sales rank drops, it might drop 5 times in a month. That means quite possibly that the item sold 5 times last month. So that'll really tell you how quickly an item is selling, and then you can make an educated decision on if you should buy an item or how many you should buy. So for a lot of grocery products, that's what I do. You're looking at things that might drop once a day, a couple times a day. You never really know until you look at the graphs how many times that it dropped. And then that's why you should never use these Amazon rank charts that they have out that say like toys at 80,000 sell once a day, because that's not really true. If a toy is at 500,000 and it sells 5 minutes ago, the rank's going to be really low. It could be at 60,000. You don't really know what the rank is going to be. And if the toy's rank is at 60,000 and you buy 30 of them because you think it's going to sell every day, and then the average rank is actually really high, it might take you 6 months to a year to sell all those products. So that's why you really have to take a look at the graphs and just make sure that what you're buying is what you actually think it is, before you spend a whole lot of money on items that aren't going to sell. So that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.